Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn about something really important, something adults talk about all the time, but we're going to make it super easy for you. We're talking about the stock market. You may have heard people say things like the market is up today, or SPY is falling, or maybe QQQ had a big move. But what does that all actually mean? Let's break it down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know what the stock market is, what SPY and QQQ are, what candles mean on charts, and how traders look at price movement using websites like TradingView. So let's begin. Now I want you to imagine your favorite company. Maybe it's Apple or Nike or even Amazon. Big companies sell tiny pieces of ownership to people. These tiny pieces are called stocks. When you buy a stock, it means you own a very small part of the company. The stock market is the place where people buy and sell these stocks. If the company does really well, the stock price may go up. If the company struggles, the stock price may go down. That means people can make money or lose money depending on what happens. Think of it like buying a slice of pizza. You may not own the whole pizza, but your own slice. That's how the stock market works. Now what is SPY? SPY. SPY or SPY is one of the most popular instruments in the world. SPY follows something called the SP 500. That means it tracks 500 of the biggest companies in America. Now companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, or Amazon, and many more. Instead of buying just one company, SPY lets you invest in many companies all at once. That makes it more balanced. Many people like SPY because it spreads out risk. It's kind of like joining a whole team instead of betting on just one player. That's why so many investors watch SPY every single day. Now what is QQQ? QQQ is another very popular investment, but QQQ focuses more on technology companies. It includes companies like Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, or Microsoft. So QQQ is for tech companies that are fast growing. SPY is the balanced all-star team and QQQ is the fast-moving tech team. Both are powerful, but they move differently. Now let's take a look at where people see this information. To understand what stocks are doing, traders use charts. One of the most popular websites for this is called TradingView. TradingView helps people see if prices are going up, down, or moving sideways. You can look at charts for SPY, QQQ, and almost any stock in the world. Now other websites that are very popular may be Yahoo Finance or MarketWatch. But TradingView is one of the best for learning charts, and today we're going to focus on that. Now let's take a look at something called a candle. Not a candle that you burn, but when you look at a stock chart, you'll usually see candles. These are called candlestick charts. A candle shows what's happened to the price during a certain amount of time. It tells us 4 important things: where the price started, where the price ended, the highest price, and the lowest price. These are called the open, close, high, and low. Each candle is like a mini story of what happened during that time. Sometimes the candle shows 1 minute, other times 5 minutes, or even the whole day. It depends on the chart settings. Now let's make it a little bit easier. If the price goes up, the candle is usually green. That means buyers are stronger. If the price goes down, the candle is usually red. That means sellers are stronger. Green means strength going up, and red means weakness going down. Traders watch these candles carefully because they help show patterns, and patterns can help traders make decisions. Now let's look at a real SPY chart using TradingView. As you watch the chart, notice how each candle tells a story. Some candles are big, some are small, some move quickly, and some show the market slowing down. Traders or investors look for support levels, resistance levels, and patterns that repeat. The goal is not guessing. The goal is learning how price behaves. The more you study charts, the more you begin to understand how the market moves. Now, the stock market can seem confusing at first, but it really starts with simple ideas. Stocks are pieces of companies. SPY tracks 500 big companies, and QQQ focuses on technology companies. Candles help us read charts, and you can use websites such as TradingView. Remember this, smart investing starts with learning first. Never rush, never gamble. Learn how money moves before making decisions. Because the best investors are always the best learners. Thank you for watching my channel, and please give this video a like and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.